Hey everybody, this is Matt Bustle with Solutions 2 Low Voltage. This is part 2 of trying to find out what was going on with this antenna here at this apartment complex after a tornado hit. And tornado has a lot of wild wind, a lot of fast stuff, so we kept wondering why we couldn't get a tone, we couldn't get a trace. We know which cable it was. The cable on the outside appeared to have no damage, but the strength and the force of the tornado, this is a first for me, y'all, literally broke this cable inside the jacket. I don't know if you can see, but here are your shiners, which means the copper is exposed, and those coppers are exposed for about an inch and a half. It literally ripped the copper out of the end of these insulations, because the first thing I was figured out is that is some real flimsy cable, but that's not cable, folks. All that is insulation that was around the cable. The copper, the conductors, they're still over there. Again, we knew which cable it was. We traced it all the way back from that box. We couldn't find it with the toner or the tracer. We were thinking maybe we got equipment issues today. No, the cable was damaged where you couldn't see it, so let this be an eye-opener. You got to keep digging till you find it. We'll be back with you on part 3 after we make the repairs.